Okay, so we're diving deep today into something that could actually save your summer.
Oh, yeah, this is going to be a good one.
We're talking AI, but not like, you know, robots taking over or
Yeah,
anything.
no, no.
This is way more practical.
Exactly. Think like summer in Miami, your AC goes kaput.
Oh, man.
Uh,
Can't even imagine.
right. And then, bam, you've got this Miami AC repair AI, like it says in the article, an HVAC pro at your fingertips 24/7.
That's right, from the article we're looking at today. And honestly, that sounds amazing. Like, no more sweating it out, waiting for a technician.
Totally. And think of the money you could save.
Not to mention the stress.
Absolutely. So this AI, it's a chatbot, basically.
Okay, so you're talking to.
Yeah, and it walks you through some troubleshooting steps,
Yeah.
figures out what's going on.
So it's not just like generic advice, right?
No, no, it's tailored to you and your AC problem.
Like, how does it even work?
Let's say your AC is making this rattling sound.
Okay.
The chatbot's going to ask, is it constant or does it happen when it turns on or off?
So it's like asking questions to narrow it down.
Exactly. It's smart like that. And based on your answers, it might say, hey, you've got a loose fan blade. Or, sounds like a refrigerant leak.
So it's not just telling you what's wrong, it's like giving you clues to fix it.
Yeah, it's like having a virtual repair person right there with you.
That's very cool.
And here's the best part. It'll even tell you if you can DIY it or if you need to call in a pro.
See, that's where the real savings come in time, money, and like you said, stress.
100%.
Makes you wonder what else AI could do around the house.
Oh, for sure.
Like if it can figure out a finicky AC
Why not plumbing or electrical problem?
or even appliances, right?
I mean, the possibilities are endless.
Endless? It's kind of wild to think about.
It really is. And as AI keeps getting better,
It's probably only a matter of time before we're all using it for these everyday problems.
yeah, exactly like having a little AI helper for everything.
So there you have it, folks. AI might just be the key to staying cool in the future.
Maybe even more important than sunscreen.
Well, maybe not, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on. And that wraps up our deep dive for today.
Until next time.
Stay cool out there,
Especially in Miami.
especially in Miami. You got that right.
All right, see ya.
See you later.